Krista
and Jamie,
and we're the Morbid Makers. And today we have a fun back to school craft for you guys to do. Everybody, you see all those cute little Instagram pictures of the kids with their like, my first day of kindergarten and all that fun stuff. So we decided we were gonna make our own.
Yes.
So what you're gonna need is just a thin piece of wood. We actually have wood that you can actually hang. We put little holes in them. We spray painted it with chalkboard paint, but they also have chalkboard paint that you can just buy and brush on yourself as well, but spray paint's easier. We already cut out what we are going to put on ours. My son's going to be a freshman this year, so mine's just a little more simple.
And Christina's going to be 7th grade.
7th grade. We're getting old.
No, we're not.
But what's great about these things, you can kind of customize them and put whatever you want. So like with Jamie's, it has, she's this year's old, favorite color, things she loves, what she wants to be. Mine's super simple, because I don't think my 14-year-old son's going to want to hold up a sign that says that. He'll be so embarrassed. So this is less embarrassing for him. So, we cut ours out on a Cricut. We have the Cricut program, but if you don't have a Cricut program, you can use Silhouette. But you could also just get some chalk and write it on. My handwriting's sloppy, so this is what I use.
Mine too.
But as you can tell, we already kind of cut it out of our Cricut and weeded it. So now we're just going to get some transfer tape and transfer it on. Very simple, easy project, guys.
Very easy. So here's the transfer tape. I haven't even cut it.
I know.
And I'm going to add some beads on here for Christina, because she loves that stuff.
So question, when is Christina starting school again?
On the 16th.
16th. Nathan's is on the 12th.
Okay.
And this past year, we actually I homeschooled him. And as much as I wanted to homeschool him again, because it's so much easier to do fun things and travel, he's ready to go back to school. He is tired of my face. But
at least he's excited to go back.
Yeah.
Christina's like, I want to go to school.
Most kids aren't excited. Most kids aren't excited.
No. And because these beads were so small, I'm not putting them all the way around.
That'd be cute though, so you could do like on each side.
I do each side and call it a day.
And that's a good thing about making projects yourself. Yes, they sell them in store and stuff like that, but you have your own personal touch.
Yes.
I'm having a really hard time getting this transfer tape off with these fake nails that I broke like 2 of them already. I'm too rough. Always doing stuff with my hands. Crafting and gardening.
And I had long too, and I'm like, nope.
Not happening.
It's not good to type.
Nope. But I did splurge and got myself a new, I had to get myself a new laptop for school. But it's the type, the talk to text stuff. It's like, yes, I need that. So it just sounds like I'm crazy talking to myself, but. And we're using the Cricut transfer tape, but if you just go to Dollar Tree, and your Dollar Tree has like the clear, what's that, closet tape? You know what I'm talking about? Why can't I think of the name of it?
The cabinet drawer wallpaper stuff.
Yeah, the protector stuff. But they have clear ones, and it works just as well. I'm going to say better, because it's not as sticky, so it's easier to transfer from the back of this. Oops, I forgot the F. I'm over here talking about how sticky it is and my F won't stick.
And if you see it at Dollar Tree,
pick it up.
Buy more than one.
Yes, because I haven't found it at our Dollar Trees around here in a long time.
Nope. I look every time I go.
Because some Dollar Trees, you know, have different things. And then for me, I know I have mine hanging this way, which is really dumb of me. I should have put it like this. Because it goes this way. So I'm probably gonna make another hole and stick it on this side here.
Yeah.
But that's okay. We're gonna pretend it didn't happen. I eyeball mine. I never have a ruler. If you are very anal or OCD.
You're going upside down.
Upside down.
The first one.
Yep, that would be smart, huh? Look at me, I'm all a mess. I'm like, what is she talking about?
Well, she could have just untied the rope, but
I know.
my mind is like focus on one thing, like that light right there. So I have to do these beads, and you'll be done.
No, that's cool though that you're doing the beads. It's just, you know, boys. Very plain and simple. Well, mine is anyways. Not everybody's the same. He's at the point that anything I do is embarrassing. Stop embarrassing.
Oh, there.
Thank you. Yes, you mean. The good thing about this is if you don't press it down hard right away, it still sticks, so you can move it around and do what you need to do. Like for me, I don't like where it's placed.
There, finally.
Oops.
Of course, it's flat here.
And we have this nifty Cricut. I can think of words today. Yeah.
Smoother.
Smoother, that's what we're gonna call it, the smoother. There is really a name for it and I can't think of it. But if you don't have one of these, like any like a credit card, library card, anything to use to smush it down. So you can transfer it onto your board. And sometimes even after you push it down, it still comes up, so you kind of have to peel it slow, or you can even go back and redo it. But this is coming off really nice and easy. I'm so excited.
I hope I have that look too.
Me too, because it's a pain in the butt.
It is.
So, you know, I made mine this way. Obviously, you're only going to be able to use it one time, just for the first year. The way Jamie's making hers is smart, because you can use it over and over again. But, you know, I've got to improvise a little bit with the kiddo.
But you can always use the back next year and get the
Yeah.
other side of it.
There you go. Plus, like I said, I'm not a huge fan of my handwriting, so this is just much better for me.
Okay, let's see if I can get lucky. Of course not.
Yay! I love when it comes off, it's just satisfying.
Yay! Perfect. Okay. Oh, don't do it. Further down. Of course it's not straight. Close enough. It looks straight now.
She can just hold it a little bit. That's what mine is. Like, mine's almost straight. So, I picked this color for him because his school colors are teal, gray, and white, I think. New school, new colors. Which is weird to me because most like schools, if you go to the same school district from middle school to high school, it's still the same color and mascot. But here it's different. I guess because they have different high schools.
Yeah.
For the same area.
Oh, one little dot didn't come off right there. And then a lot of kids, you know, they have, I forgot what they call that program, but you can, you know, apply to go to a school at your zone.
Yep. Yep. Especially on Canvas. If you do things on Canvas, I suggest you definitely get the Dollar Tree stuff because this transfer tape is really hard to work with on Canvas.
Yay!
Oh, that looks so good! And then you can use chalk.
And of course I have chalk ready.
Of course she does.
On it.
That looks so good.
Grade.
Look how fast and easy that was.
Super easy.
And it does not take long to do this craft, guys.
And just put the tape back on here too.
Again.
Again.
All about saving money, guys, especially when you have a family.
Reuse, recycle.
Reduce, reuse,
Yes.
recycle.
So super easy. With the little beads.
That's really cute. I like the beads on yours.
She is ready for 7th grade.
7th grade. Our kiddos are getting old.
Yes.
Alright guys, well thank you for tuning in. And I hope you guys have fun doing this project and, you know, find your own little way to put your personal touches on it. But until next time,
Be unstoppable.
be relentless.
Be the weird.
Bye.